Install the live stream app, starting without developer options enabled. Tivo 4K Edition. Begin by locating the gear icon. This serves as your gateway to the settings. Select Settings. Locate Device Preferences. Select Device Preferences. Continue with About. Scroll down to the Build row. You will select the build number several times. As you continue to select the build number, notifications will appear on the bottom of your screen. Hooray! Now you can tell your friends that you are a developer. Press back on your remote until you return to the main screen. Press back again. Head to the Apps section and select Apps. Get More Apps will access the Play Store. In the top right corner, you'll find the magnifying glass symbolizing search. Click on it to initiate a search. Start typing Downloader. Once you see the suggestion for Downloader by AFTV News, click the suggestion to continue. Choose the search icon to dismiss the keyboard. Install Downloader by AFTV News. After installation is complete, open Downloader to continue. Allow Downloader to access the device's files. Select OK. Highlight the URL field. Type 271396. Select Go. Use this link for reference if the code does not work. Do not click on any ads outside of the confirmation box. Select Settings to allow Downloader to install the Stream app. Toggle Downloader from Not Allowed to Allowed. From the remote, press the back button. You may now install the app. Before opening the app, it is a good practice to delete the APK to free up storage. Select Done to return and remove the APK. Click Delete. Confirm deletion. Upon completion, return to the main screen. For easier access to the app, navigate to Add to Favorites. Select the Live Streams app. Press and hold the Select button. Utilize the Move option to bring the app closer to the front. Open the app. Choose your device type, and save to continue. Enter any text in the first field. Your username and password can be found in the email labeled Service Details. After verifying your credentials, select Add User. The following showcases some core functions of the app. For a quick example of backing up your favorites, skip to 4 minutes and 6 seconds. Note that these backups require the same account. Backup and restore can be found in the app settings. It is important to store your backup pin in a safe location. The pin can be replaced, but you will lose the backup. More information can be found at htvstreams.com/support.